Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yes, and we are going to split this one down into two. It's part of the NEC Great British manufacturers, the little series that we're doing on it. And this one will be split into two because it's a company that is British but has merged with a German and American company. It's E&P Hydraulics Leveling. So I'm going to split this into two, one for caravans, where the E&P C self-leveling, show you a little one on that first, and then we'll go on to the E&P M self-leveling for the motorhome, and then on to what we've got, which is the Alco HY4 system. And yeah, it's absolutely brilliant, that one. As well as the others are, each one has its own little quirk, and yeah, it's good. It's good. We're talking park it up, press the button, 2 minutes, you're all self-leveled, giving you stacks of time to get that beer out, get the deck chairs out, and put either the awning up or the canopy, whichever you use. It's brilliant. 5 to 10 minutes, unless you're putting the awning up, and then that's probably about 30 minutes and you're all set up. In a motorhome, if you've got a canopy, you can do that unless you're staying for. And the brilliant side of these self-levelings are it's extra security, because once it's all jacked up and rigid, it's going to be pretty hard to get rid or steal it with all that protection on it. So yeah, so hope you enjoy. Have a good one.
I'm Lorna from E&P Hydraulics, part of the Alco group, and I'm here today to show you our Level C caravan system. Okay, so the benefit of the Level C caravan system is it allows you to be stable and level in under 2 minutes. It's better in windy conditions because you have bigger foot plates. Okay. The benefit of the Level C system is you get to site and you can be level and stable in under 2 minutes at the push of a button. Okay, so I'll just talk you through it. So you've got automatic, so you just press that and then down. Okay. So it's always going to start lifting through the center rams. It will start from the lowest point, bring down one ram, lift on the front, the other ram will come down, so it'll be level on the 4 main points, and then when it's happy, the rear will come down and it will be stable. And we've got the green light in the middle, which means we're level. So just to show you a bit of the kit while we've got an open frame, open chassis. So basically, it's all done through one centralized pump. It's mounted underneath the Caravan floor. Your existing corner steadies are replaced with hydraulic corner steadies, which is what allows that movement. And then it's all piped along the base, well, underneath the Caravan with hydraulic fittings as well. Okay, all really simple and makes your life a lot easier. Okay, our system here has an upgraded Bigfoot, which is available from E&P, and it just gives you a bigger surface area in which to level, so it's probably a bit better for you in softer ground. Okay. We also have manual as well, which I'll talk you through in a second, but for now we're going to retract the system. So this is you leaving site. So you press automatic again and you press up. And the system will go in reverse order and retract everything safely away so you can travel. It's always best practice to check underneath the vehicle before you depart. Okay, so that's everything retracted. You could then hitch up and off you go. We also have a manual mode for situations where if the ground is too uneven, your screen will basically tell you the ground is too uneven to auto level, so it will say operate manually. So in which case, you just press the manual button and then you can still operate the system but individually to an extent. So, just to talk you through that, you can see from the beginning you have yellow arrows instead of white, okay? So that's telling us that basically they need to be lifted to get to the level position. So I'm going to press and hold. I'll go on that there to make it easier for you to see. If I take my finger off, the jack stops moving, so it's really responsive. So I'm going to press and hold until the jack is engaged with the floor. And then I know the weight of the chassis has been taken. Okay, so I'm happy with that. And then I'm going to bring it down at the front. Press and hold. When it reaches the level point as well, it also cuts out. So you know when you've got level, you can feel it in the when you're pressing. Okay, that light's gone out. And then I'm going to bring down the other side, sorry. So you're basically following the same process, the sequence it did in auto level. Okay, and I'm just going to bring around here because I can see it's gone, it needs to come higher. And the front. And then, now that I know it's level on those 4 points, I'm going to bring down the rear. Okay, a little final tweak on the front. Okay. Oh. Yeah. It's having a bit, something not quite happy with, but I can see now that's a stable green. Okay. You still can use, there will be scenarios ultimately where you still need to use blocks because obviously some ground really is uneven. You can still use blocks with our system. We obviously just advise you use a bigger surface area than the footplate. And that's the best advice I can really give you on that. Okay, I think that's everything. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like our system.
Yeah, piece of doddle, that E&P C, C being for Caravan, self-leveling Lorna from E&P demonstrated that quite well in the video. So yeah, if you're thinking of that, go see them on the E&P stand at the NEC on between the 13th and 18th of February 24. Yep. The prices, I'm not too sure on the prices. I would check with either the website or phone them up, see them at the show. Yep. Remember, give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Remember to subscribe. It's free. There's not much free these days. And remember to hit the notifications bell for getting the notifications. Hit the all on the drop down box and that'll give you everything that we've got. Okay. See you soon.